Alright, so we have been assigned a mission.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Yeah, we need to go and capture Simon Horkenstein in his headquarters, which is in the centre of the world.
Is it really?
Yeah, we can't just dig down this time.
No, we can't. We've got to probably work stuff out.
God, what's the matter? Q's invented this thing. It's like, you know, scuba diving.
Yeah.
It's like that, but through the ground.
That's incredible. He must have to know our dimensions.
He does. You sort of swim through and you put the ground behind like a mole. But you have to know your entire surface area of your entire body. So you need to know the surface area of the sphere, of our head, and our arms, which we sort of assumed are cones, which is wrong. So let's hope it's right.
Let's hope he knows what he's talking
Let's
about.
hope
He
he
seems to
knows.
most of the time.
Yeah.
He does think of everything.
He does, everything.
So, thinking of that actually, we'll do that in a minute. But
Yeah.
for the viewers at home, I've got a nice worked example about spheres to cones.
Have you?
Yeah. Do you want to go through it?
Yeah, go through it.
Okay. So we've got a sphere.
Mm.
I'm going to represent with a circle. It's three-dimensional, trust me.
Yeah.
And we're told the radius of that is 4 centimetres. Right?
Yeah, I'll speak up.
We've got a wizard's hat.
I love wizard hats.
Cone. Just in case you're thinking it's actually called a wizard's hat. And its radius along the bottom there is 2 centimetres. Up here we've got a height. And I'm telling you, can we work out this length here along there? Now, final piece of information, I'll tell you. The area of the sphere, I'm going to call A little s, is equal to the area of the wizard's hat.
You're going to call...
I'm going to call it...
So I think, is there equations for each of these, William?
There is. The equation for area of a sphere and the equation of area for these can be equated.
Oh, okay.
So I'll give you them each. The equation for the area of this is pi r squared is going to be in it, and it's 4 pi r squared.
Alright.
And the area for a wizard's hat is pi r l, where l is this here. It could be represented as a h, you may see as well. I think it's L in your formula booklet, but if it's h, either way.
Oh,
so we can equate them. Oh yeah, we can, yeah. So we can equate them because the areas are the same, and then we can cancel down, and what we're trying to find out really is L, because then when we've worked out L, we can then work out x. There's no direct way of working out x with any formula for area, so...
Okay.
Okay?
Sure.
So 4 is constant, that's just 4 times pi times this r squared. We know it's a known, so it's 4 squared.
Sure.
So we're going to have 4 times what's going to be 16 times pi, which is 64 pi altogether. And that's going to equal this pi r, 2 times pi times l, so just 2 pi l.
So then you divide that half by 2 pi?
Yep, correct. And that's going to be 32 equals l.
It is. So now we know L, so we know this one.
If I just take this out, if I put a magnifying glass here and take it out as a zoomed in version.
Sure.
What we've got is this area, this length of 2. This length we've just worked out is 32. And we're trying to work out this. Can you see now?
I can. I think there might be a little right angle there, Wayne.
There is
use
indeed.
Pythagoras.
We can indeed. You've got it. You've got it. So, Pythagoras.
A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So 32 squared plus 2 squared equals our mysterious x squared.
So I'm going to need a calculator.
You are going to need a calculator. I have one of those.
While you type stuff in, I'll clarify some stuff.
Alright.
So, we've got this as a formula of area, this is a formula of area, we're told the areas are equal, so we can therefore equate these two things. You can't always do that. If the areas are not equal, don't bother equating it. It wouldn't make any sense, it wouldn't work. So it's really hard to notice, and that's probably what makes this A star stuff. You ready?
I am.
Okay.
The answer, I've scrooged it already, so this is just x.
Okay.
And that is 32.06, so it's actually quite similar sizes. Yeah, so Wayne, I've got another question. I'm full of questions. I'm very inquisitive. Yeah. Why have you got a mask?
Oh, it's standard issue.
Standard issue.
It's
right.
It's a thing.
So if you're sleeping, or you...
Oh no. Put yourself in this position.
Right. Okay.
You're in Madagascar.
I'm always in Madagascar. I love it there. There's lions and stuff.
It's quite a few.
Quite a
They
few.
go raw sometimes.
They do.
And you go into a bit of a rough with these penguins, right?
Right. Yes.
And
Did I get in trouble with their aeroplane or something?
you did.
Oh,
So,
right. With you.
And what happens is they don't come to you themselves. They set some guys on you. They say go get that agent, right? So they all come to kill you. And what you do is you kill them. It's quite simple.
So where does that come into it?
Oh right, sorry. Yeah, later on in the day, someone puts a gun to your head, and they say, you know, something really terrible, I don't want to say it in front of the camera. So what you do is you cover up your eyes, cover up your ears, pretend it's not happening and walk off.
I think that's what